This is a Commodore 3-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a Blazer Select. I did vinyl flooring in the living room. The transition strip going into the kitchen. Got the gray cabinets, upgraded appliances, gas range, microwave, stainless steel sink, dishwasher. Look at all these extra cabinets that go into the dining room. The double windows. Got a utility room right off the dining room. Has an end door. It's a little drop station. It's got a bench. Good place to put a coat rack. Chandelier. Coat closet. Take you into the master bedroom. Double windows. Nice big closet. Master bathroom. Walk-in shower. I really like this sink. It's a square sink. Bedroom 2. And bedroom 3. I want to say they are the same size. Closet. 6-panel interior doors, white. There's a pantry door there. Second bathroom, 1-piece fiberglass tub, porcelain square sink. It says vaulted ceilings.